Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. And what you are looking at here is a capture page that I use to promote a training system that will teach you all about how to properly promote your business online. Whatever you may have that you are promoting online, you can learn by videos, step-by-step, simple videos. It doesn't take much at all. And if you stumble, this is what I like about this system. With a simple video training, if you stumble and fall, in other words, if you don't get it, you can rewind or go backward and start all over again. This system is called Easy Cash Code, and it's owned by a gentleman named what is his name? Reginald Stinson. Man, I'm almost to forget his name. I know that's not possible because we go a few years back. He's a good guy, and man, he knows what he's doing. And inside of his system, Easy Cash Code, you're going to learn how to. A lot of people are looking for something like this, and if you introduce people to this system, it only costs $18 one-time fee. When you introduce people to it and they join the system to start learning how to properly promote online, you're making 100% commission. You're making $18 for each one that joins up. Easy Cash Code, I love it. Although it's not my main marketing system, my main marketing system is the Power Lead system. At the bottom of this video, you will get a link to Easy Cash Code, and I use both of these systems to promote online. And I am learning daily on how to easily promote online without even spending a dime. And you're going to have your training. Again, this is just $18 one-time fee. It logged me out. I was taking a little time in here. But anyway, you have your training. Let's go over here. It say advertising strategies. If you are serious about advertising and learning how to advertise online, you have it all right here with Easy Cash Code. And see the videos coming up? This affiliate training. It's one in particular I like, and this is the Craigslist marketing strategies. I've already created me an ad with Craigslist from the strategist training on Easy Cash Code, and I use my Power Lead system to create the capture page, which we have capture pages inside of Easy Cash Code, but I love making my own capture pages. All you have to do is come back here and click on a video, even if you just want to start with the strategies of promoting on Facebook. You have it all back here by video. Let's go to page 2. Here's another one to teach you how to get more leads with SMS. That's another part of the system. And you have your links, and you have your capture pages. I'm going to use the capture page that I showed you a while ago. This one right here, I'm going to use this capture page to bring you in to view the information on how you can get started and how you can start being successful with your online advertising. We have banners. We have your links. All these at your exposure. This is one of the capture pages here. And the system teaches you how to integrate Aweber and get response. 2 easy cache code, or you can use the Power Lead system to build your own capture page, or use the Power Lead system with their capture pages to bring people in. And it doesn't have all of this where people have to sign their name, first name, last name, email, and phone number. You have pages that you can create for yourself in the Power Lead system, where it doesn't have nothing but email address only. And you can choose from email address to first name to second name, or so on. So, but I love this system because I don't even have to go through that to create my capture page, but I love doing that. It's just one thing I love to do. All right, to get started, this is a valuable system that you can use to get started. Just click on the link below. You will see this page here, and you will see my Power Lead system link as well. You can check out both of them. Let's log in right quick to my Power Lead system. And I don't want to give you too much information at one time. I just want you to see the value of working with these powerful systems that can cause you to become the next six-figure earner. And this is not something that I'm just saying. It's a fact that you can earn the same way. I have a mentor that came from nowhere. Now he's a six-figure earner with the Power Lead system. He started out with the Power Lead system. I was just going to show you another web page, a capture page that you will see at the bottom of this video, where you can use it for yourself. Let me click on getting started. Start here, and you will see the same thing. Once you get started, we'll have 2 links. You can promote referral link A or B. B will show your primary business if you want to promote your primary business. Let's click on this and see. This is what you will look at for the Power Lead system. Just put your email address in. We'll send you more information on how to get started. I'm Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a wonderful day or night. Bye-bye.